Tnad Pulit pat ka social welfare mynta kasi ka akhon ru tarik jylliew kala Rakhe ka sngi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ha Soso Tham Auditorium ha ka jingkren jong myntri rangbah ubalong kum kongsan ha katei ka sngi uloong bak sorkar kanyale katba ban pynlong ya ka jylla Meghalaya kaba lait na ka jingjyllei drug ha katei ka jingialang layadon ryngkat symbud myntri rangbah Bah Prestone tynsong DGP ka Meghalaya Dr L R Bishnoi Additional Chief Secretary Home Dr Shakeel P Ahammad ki officer ka Police Department ki officer na Social Welfare Department pa ki khynnah school na ki school ba fair
United Nations General Assembly resolutions, 26 June is celebrated as an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. The UN General Assembly long back in 1987, they have decided to observe this day by keeping the grave drug scenario throughout the world. 26 June is fixed because on this day, the Commissioner of China, Lin Jiexu, he dismantled the godowns and stores of the opiums, and the tons of opium were destroyed. So just to honor his commitment, the UN General Assembly adopted that 26 June will be celebrated. The objective, as it is evident from the slides, the main objective is to create an international society free from the drug abuse. As on today, there are 195 countries in the world. And out of 195 countries, we can say only Vatican City is the only country which is free from drug abuse, and rest all countries are in the serious grips of drugs. So this is not a local problem, this is not a national problem, but it is a global problem. So this year, the theme is decided by UNODC, that is United Nations Office on Drug and Crime. Every year they release a specific theme by keeping the changing dimensions of drug scenario globally. So this year the theme is People First, Stop Stigma and Discrimination and Strengthen Prevention. So we should not stigmatize and discriminate people or drug abusers and their family. We should adopt the empathy and sympathetic approach towards the drug abusers. So there are 5 aims I have highlighted in the slides, basically to create massive awareness throughout the world so that the masses should be aware about the ill effects of the drug abuse. Secondly, about the awareness about the AIDS, hepatitis, and strengthen the prevention programs. And third is promote evidence-based voluntary services, not on the generalized base, but evidence-based by using the technology. And then we have to empower the youth, and then secondly, the educate about the drug abuse, available treatment and preventive intervention. So this is the aim in nutshell decided by the UNODC for this year.
This very dangerous habits which is spreading throughout the state of Meghalaya. So friends, I'm so happy to see that the KSU is partnership with us. I call upon all the stakeholders, other NGOs, all religious groups, religious leaders in the state of Meghalaya. Let us jointly walk together and I'm sure within no times we'll be able to make Meghalaya a total state free from drugs.
But it is actually, as mentioned by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, the future of our society, of our state, and of our country. And at this point in time, I would like to really congratulate and thank the Home Department, especially our respected DGP Bishnoi ji. After his joining in as the DGP of Meghalaya, he has been personally involved in ensuring that the most stringent actions are taken to ensure that any kind of drug trafficker, anybody who's involved in drugs, strict action is taken against them. And during this last couple of years, we've seen huge quantities. He was mentioning 18 kgs of heroin. About 2,000 youths are affected by that. So that's about 36,000 youths have been saved. Apart from that, on a rough average, the market value, depending on the location it is, of 1 kg of heroin can go even up to about 10 crores. So 18 kgs is about 180 crores worth of just heroin has been caught by the state police. And therefore, I think it's absolutely necessary. And let us all appreciate the work, and let us give a round of applause to our officials who have done a great work. Congratulations to the police department.